In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could change the status of your Instagram account from private to public. I hope. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic, you're watching my video for today, I urge you stick with me till the end, because if you do so, you are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face. So you want to change your Instagram account status from private to public. There could be a lot of reasons for that. Basically, what happens is that when you make your account private, your account is not so easily viewable by others. So if you are an influencer, or if you want to have more fan following through your Instagram page, this is going to be a good option for you. Normally what happens is, even for private accounts, you could get a lot of followers, but if your account is public, your profile is viewable instantaneously by others, basically online. So if they like your pictures, they like your videos, they find it motivational, they would immediately subscribe or start following you. But on the other hand, if your account is private and you want to gain more subscribers or followers or whatever it is, you're going to have a lower following. So whatever the reason, maybe if you want to change the status of your Instagram account from private to public, this is exactly what you need to do. Okay, so the first thing is you need to get onto your smartphone and you need to log into your Instagram account. Very simple, right? So once you log into your Instagram account, the next thing to do is click on your profile icon to the bottom right here. Okay, so you click on this icon, you would be directed to your profile page. Now, once you are on your profile page, click on the three lines or the menu option. You get a pop-up like this. Here, you need to click on settings. Once you do that, you would get a lot of options out here to view, right? So here, you need to click on privacy. Once you do that, you would be directed to this page on which you could see here that your account is set to private. Okay, so you need to click on this toggle button. You get a pop-up like this, and the pop-up would say if you do that, your account is going to go public again. All right, so you click on switch to public, and within few seconds your account would go from private to public. So this is exactly how you need to make or need to change your Instagram account status from private to public. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, post a nice little comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the bell notification icon. So this is it for today. Until my next video, adios, take care.